certainly the issue of international travel, as you know, is a delicate and contentious one, and we want to make sure that we continue to protect Canadians from the risk of importation of virus, no matter what measures we have at the border. And so this report provides us with a roadmap, if you will, of the next steps that we can consider as we begin to see an increased protection of Canadians through vaccination and the reduction of COVID-19. And maybe I can turn to Dr. Tam because I know she's been working with her domestic counterparts, Medical Office of Health from the other provinces and territories, to say a few more words.
Certainly, it's an important report with the recommendations that we need to consider and take into account for those the next forward path. I think part is to recognize the very important role vaccines play, and that very fortunately there's a number of very good vaccines that are effective and safe globally. But as we all know, global vaccination coverage is not, very high at the moment, but many countries are making significant progress. So we will be certainly looking at different indicators, and some of that includes how Canada itself is doing. Because when a country is still in the middle of a third wave, and we haven't as yet attained a good level of immunity from a population perspective, then it's more difficult for us to tolerate importations and to be able to manage any of those kind of scenarios. And so I think our next stages will take into account the what's happening inside Canada, both from that epidemiology, disease activity, as well as where we are with our own vaccinations. But nonetheless, I think it's very important to take into account vaccination as part of the layers of protection for international travel. And this is very much a subject of active discussion. And yes, we will be certainly laying a path forward in the near future. Thank you.